Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. At this time I have a review for you guys, and I have two reviews. My two favorite items from Coach that I'm rocking right now, and these are my Precious KC handbag and a bum bag. And both of them are in black. All right, so I got this bag probably like 4 or 5 months ago, and surprisingly I am wearing a black now because before I tend to not wear a black bag. I was more into like nude colors, white or cream, pink, but surprisingly I've been using black, and I know you cannot go wrong with black, but that was just me. I don't know. So this beautiful Cassie, a pocket in the back, cell phone or something, and it has 3 compartments, 1, 2, and 3. All right. In the middle compartment, which is the biggest one, it has a small pocket with a zipper and a small pocket in the front. All right. After that, there are no more pockets, but let's see how much things it fits inside. So it fits my Zippy, my full Zippy wallet, my 6 ring key holder, my glasses, brush. Let's see if a bottle of water fits. And this is a 500 milliliters. Okay, let's see. All right, ta-da. All right, that's how it fits. It comes with a detachable strap. And the gold hardware on this handbag is like this. It's like antique. It's not that shiny, and it's super cute. It gives that simplicity of on the handbag. And you can just, of course, wear it as an envelope handbag. Feel like Coach, did this as imitating the Louis Vuitton Pushemity because it looks so similar. But this is how it fits. I'm 5'3", and it looks so just beautiful. Like the leather, it's just so natural. It's just a simple bag, but it's so classy. And yeah. Accessorize the bandolier from LV, which is super cute. Okay. I got this at the outlet for, I think it was like $98, but I know that they have this in different variations. I got this first because I was like, everybody keeps saying that the bum bags are so stylish and you can style it in many ways. But before buying the LV bum bag, which I was planning to getting in the cream on-prong leather, I was like, I'm gonna try with this and see if I will wear a bum bag. It's so practical, and they use it very much. And so let's see what fits inside. Let's see. I'm gonna open the Cassie and see if everything fits. Okay. A Zippy. It fits, but not comfortably, but it fits. My glasses, my 6 key ring holder, my glasses. I don't think it will fit a bottle of water. No, that's just too much. But a full Zippy fits on this bag, on this bum bag. And I will wear it like this. Usually when I go out with the kids, I ended up wearing it like this or like this. I was not the type of person that will wear like a bum bag. That's why I decided to buy this, just to give it a try and see. Like I said, I was going to get the LV on-prong leather one, but I know that that one is very small, and I don't know if a bottle of water will fit in it. I will look. I did look online and see if if there were some reviews, but I don't know. I haven't found anything. So if you have the LV bum bag on the on-prong leather, let me know if it's if a bottle of water fits, because usually because I know that the monogram fits, and I know that the monogram is bigger too. Okay guys, so here it is, a review of these two beautiful Coach pieces. Let me tell you the measure. 10 inches width, 1.75 diameter, 7.25 height. Crossbody strap drop, is 21.75 inches long. All right, and I'm 5'3". Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, give it a thumbs up. More content on my channel, and comment me and tell me which type of Coach product do you like most. Take care guys, bye bye.